Good morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast for today and for the weekend. We got a little bit of everything. We've got temperatures in the 70s, lots of sunshine. We also have temperatures quite a bit cooler, highs in the 30s in our 7-day forecast, and some snow in the forecast as well. But let's take you outside right now for a live look out over downtown Denver. Beautiful blue skies. Temperatures are going to warm up nicely today. Topping our weather headlines, the warmer weather, mostly sunny today. We've got warm temperatures today into tomorrow as well. In fact, Thursday is looking quite warm, but things change Thursday evening. Mountain storms in the forecast today and tomorrow as well, and we are in store for a late week mix. A little bit of rain, a little bit of snow starting Thursday night into Friday, and possibly in some areas into Saturday morning as well. Taking a live look at our radar, we're quiet. We are seeing a little bit of southwesterly flow bringing some rain and some snow down across the southern mountains. We'll continue to see that throughout the day. Snow about 10,000 feet and above. Below that, rain showers across the southern mountains. So again, southern mountains, a little bit of rain today, snow above about 10,000 feet. May see a few sprinkles south of the metro area along I-25 or east, and that's about it. We're staying dry here in the metro area. Mostly sunny today, just a slight chance, about a 20% chance we'll see a storm south of the metro area. Winds out of the west-southwest, 5 to 15 miles per hour. So winds are not going to be an issue today. They will be picking up tomorrow, so expect some breezy conditions. Tomorrow we're going to get that downslope component to the winds. Westerly winds, downslope component will help warm up those temperatures even more so for tomorrow. For today, we're looking at temperatures mainly in the 70s across the plains, 50s and 60s up in the mountains. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. And again, we're going to be in the 60s by 1 o'clock, in the 70s by 4 o'clock. We're looking to warm a couple degrees above 71 degrees, probably between about 4 and 5. 72 degrees, 73 possible here in the metro area. And again, increase in clouds as we head into the evening hours. Mostly clear tonight, though, just a few clouds. Breezy in the foothills, 46 degrees, your overnight low. And we'll call it partly cloudy for tomorrow. Basically increasing clouds throughout the day. Going to be breezy. We talked about those westerlies, so winds out of the west-southwest 10 to 25 miles per hour. And temperatures climbing to about 77 degrees for a high. Our normal high for this time of the year is 61, so we'll be well above that. Forecast highs across the plains for tomorrow. We're looking at 70s, even some 80s. How about 88 degrees, pushing 90 in Lamar, 86 in Springfield, Pueblo getting up to 83, Burlington 82, Yuma 79, Sterling getting up into the low 80s. We're looking again mid to upper 80s across the Front Range urban corridor, and 50s and 60s in the mountains once again. Do have some high fire danger to talk about for tomorrow, and that is for the southern mountains, the San Luis Valley, as well as Pueblo, south along I-25 down to Wassenberg and Trinidad, for winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour and humidity as low as 11%. So again, be careful if you're outdoors with any outdoor burning. Again, just takes a spark for those winds to spread that flame and create a wildfire. Futurecast tracking precipitation moving back in on Thursday. So we get a little bit of a break. We're pretty quiet around the metro area until Thursday. I'm going to take this back just a bit. We're going to kind of walk through this if we can. I think we have the time. So this is again Thursday at noon. Starting off the day great. Thursday's going to be sunshine. Start off the day, temperatures climbing to the 70s once again. But we get this system moving in from the north and west, bringing us initially rain. A cold front moves through. That's going to turn that rain into snow Thursday night, certainly impacting travel time or travel along I-70 through the mountains, and likely impacting your travel time as well. Maybe a little slow going. Again, we're not expecting a ton of snow, maybe 4 to 8 inches up in the high country, so decent amount, several inches up in the mountains, several inches in the foothills as well. Certainly transition to snow along I-70 through the urban corridor or through the mountain corridor as well as the urban corridor as we head. This is overnight, Thursday night into Friday morning. You can see, so we're going to advance. This is about 6 o'clock Friday morning, and you see fairly widespread snow up in the high country. That does include the metro area Friday morning. We're talking about a slushy snow here in the metro area. It's just going to be so warm on the ground, but that continues as we head into Friday morning, later parts of the Friday morning, Friday afternoon as well. And again, fairly widespread precipitation. So the next storm again Thursday night through Saturday, mountain snow and a metro mix. We're going to throughout the day on Friday, it looks like we're going to transition from rain to a mix to snow as those temperatures warm up a bit. But you can clearly see it is continuing in the metro area through about Saturday morning. So the metro area looks pretty good on Saturday as the snow and the precipitation dwindles to the south, kind of moves to the south, and it continues up in the high country. So expect snow up in the high country, the mountains throughout the day on Saturday as well. So Thursday night, Friday into Saturday up in the high country for the metro area and the urban corridor. We're looking Thursday night. Friday, scattered snow showers transitioning from snow to rain to snow again come Friday night into Saturday morning. But Saturday morning is looking pretty clear in and around the metro area. So at this point, we're calling it a potential weather impact day again Thursday night through Saturday morning for heavy mountain snow likely Friday through Saturday, 4 to 8 inches. I'm thinking some Denver snow likely, 3 to 6 inches of snow possible in the foothills. So again, higher accumulations, the higher you go. Some Denver snow likely. We're not expecting anything too significant just because the ground is going to be so warm. So some slushy snow expected. But those overnight lows, again, dropping down into the 30s. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast so we can kind of analyze the systems moving through. Today we're mild 73. Tomorrow we have those westerly winds, downsloping element that's going to help warm up those temperatures, but also create some gusty conditions. So those winds again gusting up to 25 miles per hour as temperatures warm to about 77 degrees. On Thursday, again, we're looking nice for the first half of the day. Temperatures are going to warm up to about 74 degrees with some sunshine. Then we have that system moving in from the north and west, and that's going to bring us some storms, starting with some rain showers, possibly a thunderstorm. Then comes a cold front, and as that cold front moves through, it's going to drop those temperatures overnight. Temperatures are going to get down to the low to mid 30s Thursday into Friday. So that precipitation is going to transition to snow Thursday night to Friday morning, waking up to a little bit of slushy snow even here in the metro area, likely on a Friday morning. Again, foothills, higher accumulations up in the mountains. We're going to get fairly widespread heavy snow for over the net from between about Thursday night through the day on Saturday. But for the metro area, again, potential impact day for Friday as we wake up to a little bit of slushy snow, and then it'll transition back and forth throughout the day, likely as those temperatures fluctuate. Still going to be a chilly day, highs topping out in the upper 30s. So we're going to see a little bit of a mix, and then you transition back to snow overnight as those temperatures drop back down to 30 degrees into Saturday. So chance for some morning snowflakes Saturday. But for the metro area, that looks to push out, continuing in the high country. We're going to top out right around 49 degrees for a high on Saturday. Your Sunday, Easter Sunday, is actually looking nice right now. We're going to call it anywhere from partly sunny to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures pretty close to where they should be for this time of the year. 63, your forecast high, our normal high is 61. And your Monday is looking warm and 70. We've got sunshine to help warm us back up into above normal temperatures. That is a quick look at your forecast. Of course, we'll keep you posted on the incoming storms. For now, get outside and enjoy the sunshine. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.